I am going to be investing for the next 4 weeks to see if you can actually get rich with this or if it's just pure luck. And mind you, I have no experience in investing and I'm not from a financial background. So this is completely new to me. According to internet research, about 90% of people never make any money. And I don't want to end up like all those people. So I knew I needed a plan before going into it, and a freaking good one, right? So I spent a lot of times doing research on what tool or classes that I could learn from and how I was even going to make money, right? And guys, it was a journey, right? I don't want to bore you with all of the details too much, but basically I found this tool when I searched on ChatGPT for the top AI tool for Malaysian stocks, and it popped up Value Farm. So they have done all of the back testing and data analysis, and they provide the top stocks based on each category: dividend, growth plus, and also momentum. So after learning from the tutorial, I picked 3 stocks. And something unexpected happened. After I placed my trade, I watched as the price actually went in the directions I wanted it to. And then it completely reversed. And honestly, I had no clue why. I thought I had just gotten unlucky with my investment. Now, the next few days after that were no difference. Loss after loss, it is just fluctuates so much. And looking at these charts over here, you might be wondering what I was even seeing that made me choose to buy or sell these 3 stocks. And frankly, I am wondering the same thing as well. So the strategy I have gone for is to hold for at least 30 days because the majority of the time the market is moving up and down. I'm not day trading or swing trading. I am doing short-term investing here for 4 weeks. So I need to really control my emotions. And as long as the fundamental of these 3 companies are strong, they should trend upwards, right? And this was my first lesson. No one or no AI can predict 100% of a stock's movement. But when actually watching the market live, the price can be pretty volatile in the short term, which caused me to mess out my investing, right? The only way to stop this is to simply have more patience because you are avoiding the initial FOMO or fear of missing out on the trade that you are looking at. And sometimes that might mean that you are making a little less money, but it is definitely worth it. And so from then on, I make sure this is something I must focus on. Now, after 2 weeks, these 3 stocks increased by 13, 15, and 2%. So I still have 2 more weeks to wait before making any buy or sell decisions. So with this positive result, my confidence stay high because this AI helped me select stocks that have potential. Or it is just me getting lucky. I have no idea. So I wanted to learn more about how AI is able to help me make better investment decisions. So in fact, I've made about 30% in these 2 weeks, about 2% daily. For me, that is huge, right? That means if I had started with 10,000, I would have made 3K now. To me, this does not prove that I am smart. I am a newbie in investing, but it proves one thing. Investing has become so much easier because of technology, right? And it is very interesting to see how the world changes. With AI, everyone can become a marketing expert just by typing prompts into a GPT. With AI, everyone can be a pro investor just by tapping the right tab on their phone. At this point where the video is being recorded, I got nervous, honestly, because the result is just too good to be true, especially for a newbie like me that has never invested before. And I was feeling good too, right? Too good, where it was almost unbelievable. So I tried to prepare myself mentally for that, but I still have 2 weeks to go before the final result. So to show how effective this AI is and if I can actually make money, I have scheduled a live on the 23rd of October to review this result live in front of you. The link is in the comment box or in the bio link if you are watching this from my TikTok, right? And to answer everyone's questions that I know that you guys are thinking, can you get rich in a month with investing? No, you won't be able to, but you can learn a lot of skill by investing. And so I highly recommend it, right? So I also want to say I did this full month with my real money because the emotions are really different when you invest with real money versus paper trading, right? So if you want to follow my investing journey, do consider subscribing. And I have discovered another great AI tool to invest in US stocks. All right, so that's all for now. See you guys. Okay, bye-bye.